Hello students of class 6. Good morning. How are you? I hope you will be fine. My dear students, today we will discuss about chapter first. Name Who did Patrick's homework? मीन जो है पैट्रिक का होमवर्क जो है किसने किया था, इस चैप्टर के बारे में जो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे. इसकी समरी बताऊंगा आपको बाय कैरोल मॉर्गन. I hope you will be listening carefully. Right? Now we will start, my dear students. I repeat again, chapter name. Who did Patrick's homework? Book's name Honey Sugar. Chapter first, page number 7. This story, main character Patrick, Alf, a teeny-sized man, cat, and his parents. This story is about Patrick, a student. Who was a student? He never did his homework. He liked to play hockey, basketball, video games, etc. But he hated homework. Then his teachers told him to start doing his studies or he would not learn anything. He himself felt ignorant at times, but still he could not do homework in any way. Means he hated always homework. One day he found his pet cat. One day he found his pet cat playing with something. He grabbed it. His cat grabbed it and found it was the tiniest man possible, having a little wool shirt with old-fashioned trouser and a hat. He was an elf, means finished side man or joker. He requested Patrick to save him from the Patrick's cat. He said if he would do so, he would do something for him. But save me from this cat. Right? Listening these words, Patrick was very happy. He told the elf, means joker, to do his homework for the next 35 days. Only 35 days. Right? The elf was irritated by the boring job, but still he had promised and would have to try doing so. Right? The elf began to do Patrick's homework, right? But a problem was that he was not very intelligent. Elf was not very intelligent. That was his problem. And often called for Patrick's help. He often called for help for Patrick Elf because he was not very intelligent. And Patrick would have to help because it was his job, his work. The elf was doing. Right? At one time, the elf was reading Patrick's homework. Right? He saw a word he did not know. So a word which meaning he did not know. He told Patrick to get him a dictionary. He told Patrick, please give me a dictionary. He also told him to look up the word and sound it out by each letter. It sound, you want, out by each letter. Right? At maths, the elf was reading. At maths, the same condition was there. In the maths, same condition was there because he was not intelligent. The elf asked Patrick what times table was. Elf, he remarked, did not use any such things. Moreover, Patrick would have to guide him in doing addition, subtractions, division and fractions. Elf knew nothing of history. Also, the elf shouted too much, and his shouts grew louder. He shouted very much because he was very angry. That was a boring work. But he promised Patrick to do anything for saving his life. He asked Patrick for books from the library and also to help him reading those books. He asked Patrick to go to library for some books and help him reading these books. Right? Day by day, for Patrick, the elf was becoming a troubling man. He became very trouble for the Patrick. Patrick had to work to help the elf do his homework. Right? He remained awake at night for his homework. Patrick remained at all night for his homeworks. He got very tired and his eyes looked sleepily at school. When he went to school, his eyes looked sleepily in the school. Right? At last, when the school's last day came, the elf was free to go. He said, you may go. Patrick said, elf, that you may go because I have done my homework. There was no more homework, so he quietly and secretly went away from the Patrick's home. Right? Amazingly for everyone, Patrick got good grades all subjects. His teachers and classmates were very happy to see this change. They wondered how Patrick had changed. They wondered. His attitude changed. He was a model kid, model student now at the school. He cleaned his room, his clothes, his bag. He was cheerful and never rude, and he was totally changed. At last, the author tells that although Patrick thought that the elf had done his homework, but he was wrong. Reality, the truth is that the process of helping of elf everything had actually been done by Patrick himself. The elf had done every little. It was Patrick's hard work that brought good results. Thank you and have a nice day. Next time we will do some extra portions. Okay, bye.